In today's video, we'll take a look at one subscription service that I believe every creator should subscribe to, ENVATO Elements. For a low monthly price, you get full access to over 740,000 stock video clips, 1 million stock images, 25,000 royalty-free music tracks, tons of sound effects, video templates, plugins, and much more. All for only $16.50 a month, with unlimited downloads as long as your subscription is active. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Serge and welcome back to my channel. First, let's take a look at how this subscription works. When you subscribe to ENVATO Elements, you get unlimited downloads of all the included assets. When you use one of these items in your project, you simply sign into ENVATO Elements and license that item to your project. As long as your subscription is active, you're free to use any of the items included in Elements. If you choose to cancel your subscription, anything licensed and published while your subscription was still active is still good. So, if you have a subscription for 1 month and cancel it after, you're free to use any items and videos published that month. First up is stock videos. Myself personally, making tutorial videos, I use stock clips all the time. This alone makes a subscription worth it for me. But even if you make different type of videos for your channel, using stock clips can really improve your production quality. For example, we took a family vacation to California earlier this year, and I would love to put together a travel video. For B-roll, I'd love to add a drone shot of the coast, but I didn't have a drone with me. This is a perfect time to add stock video. In the ENVATO Elements search bar, I'll select stock video and type in California. The search comes back with over 2,700 clips. I can skim through and preview them to get exactly what I need. It's that simple. Once I find the clip I want to use, all I have to do is license it to my project and download it. While here, I'll also download this stock clip of the California flag to use as B-roll in my project and a few other clips I might use. Using stock video can save you a ton of time. Instead of having to go out and try to get all these B-roll shots for my holiday, I can spend more time focusing on A-roll and the holiday itself. And with over 740,000 clips, there's a ton to choose from for whatever you need. Next up is royalty-free music to use in my project. Since my project is a travel video, background music is a must. I'll click the Browse button beside the search bar and select Music. Here, I can narrow down my search by category, vocals, tempo, song length, and more. For my project, I have a nice cinematic sequence at the start, so I'll select Cinematic, Upbeat Tempo, and No Vocals. I can preview any tracks right on here to pick the perfect song for my video. Once I find the song I like, all I have to do is type in the video title to license it, download the song, and import it into my NLE for use in my project. If you post your videos to YouTube, go to the Downloads page and download the license, just in case the Content ID picks it up and opens up a copyright claim. By downloading a license for your track, you can easily clear that up. Another part of ENVATO Elements I love is the included templates for titles, effects, and more. To make your video stand out, you can purchase and download custom plugins. But these plugins can be expensive, anywhere from $10 to $100 or more for each one. A subscription to ENVATO Elements includes almost 20,000 different plugin packs for use in Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Motion. All you have to do is select the NLE you're using and browse through a list of plugins to find exactly what you're looking for. You can further narrow down your search by selecting the type of element you need. Once you find what you're looking for, download and install it just like you would any other plugin. This leaves you with almost infinite possibilities for custom titles, transitions, effects, and so much more. This just barely scratches the surface of what you get with a subscription to ENVATO Elements. Besides the stuff I showed you here, ENVATO Elements includes stock photos, graphics, and fonts you can use in your video thumbnails, Photoshop add-ons, WordPress themes for websites, and so much more. All of it for only $16.50 a month. To me, a subscription to ENVATO Elements is a no-brainer. And like I mentioned before, you're free to use any of these assets as long as your subscription is active. Just make sure you read the licensing agreement before you commit. Before I go, I'd like to thank ENVATO for sponsoring this video and supporting small creators like me. If you want to check out ENVATO Elements, I'll link it in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you sign up, I get a small percentage of the fees. This is a great way to indirectly support me so I can keep bringing you free content like you see on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next week.